The Fitbit Versa is a $200 smartwatch that goes right up against the Apple Watch and other fitness trackers that are out there. And I've got one right here. This is like a promotional package, it's not the actual box. But let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, well, here's the retail packaging. We've got the Fitbit Versa in black. This does not have contactless payments. For that, you have to get the special edition that's a little bit more and has a woven band and this band in the box. So this is the standard package. And we also have some accessories. We've got a Fitbit Versa leather band in brown. And we've got a metal mesh strap in black. This is kind of like the Milanese band for Apple Watch that's adjustable. And we've got a lot of confetti. So let's open up the Fitbit. I'm terrible at opening up. Why did I not bring a tool? There we go. Pull that open and slide it. Kind of similar packaging to other Fitbits in that slide open box. Open up the little magnetic door, and here is the watch, all set up in its own little plastic ring. So pull it out, delicately remove the plastic covering here. It's really compact. It's a nice, small smartwatch. For comparison, I've got a 42 millimeter Apple Watch here, kind of hold them side by side. Now again, you might get a 38 millimeter to compare against this for the best comparison, but the Versa is definitely smaller, and it's definitely thinner. It's a less bulky profile. Of course, you have to do a whole setup process. If I press this button here, let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Nothing at all. Probably have to charge it. Okay, let's open up this box and see what else is in there. Sometimes watches already have a little bit of a battery charge when you take them out. Not the Fitbit. So in here, some instructions. There is another band, so in case you're a different wrist size, and it's adjustable anyhow. It's a standard watch band. It even has a little catch there so you can attach it. And here's the charger. Let's see what type of charger, because Fitbits have many different chargers. So I'm actually curious. I did not see, I didn't see this before. My first time seeing it. It's a completely different charger. Interesting. So last Fitbit, the Ionic, had a long charger that you kind of magnetically stuck on the end. It was small, but it could fall off easily. This is a cradle, which I like, but it's a little bit bigger to carry with you. But it should be a lot easier to charge. You actually press that. It's my first time using this, and it's kind of like an alligator clip. That's pretty interesting. So you do that, and it expands, then you drop it in. Then, I've never seen this before. This is like a completely different charging design. And then it holds it. That's pretty smart, because then the watch will not come out at all of the charger. So that's the charger. What else is in here? Safety instructions, limited warranty. Wait, is there something in here? They used to have a little PC dongle that came with Fitbits, but I don't see that in here. So maybe it just pairs via Bluetooth and does it that way. Basic instructions to get you on your feet fast. And that is the Fitbit Versa. Pretty simple. And let's take a look at the accessories. So let's start with the metal mesh band. I'm going to put all this stuff aside here. Put the basic box stuff. I'm such a messy unboxer. Aside. Okay, good. Put that over there. Fitbit Versa metal mesh band. I believe this one is about $100. Generally, the bands cost a little bit less than the Apple Watch, well, something significantly less than the Apple Watch accessories. They're about $30 to $100 for these, so it's not terrible. And open up. This does not slide open. Scott figures out watch band boxes. This is like a puzzle box. Okay, why is this not opening? Okay, that's not as elegant to open. Okay, so here it is, encased inside. It's a lot of packaging for a band, if I may say. So why is there a whole rest of the box just for that band? It might seem a little bit violent. Pull it out like that. Okay, there we go. That is the band, and it is not magnetic, I don't think. I think it's a, there we go, where you pop it open and adjust it. So I don't know how to, let me see how I undo that again. Just do that. Okay, something like that. So that's the metal mesh band. And again, if you want to attach it, it's not too bad. I'm going to take this off. And it's kind of like a standard, more standard watch strap. So it doesn't look quite as proprietary. Pop that off. Pop this on, line up the pins. I found this a little hard at the Fitbit event too. So it takes a little bit of pushing. Yeah, there it goes. Kind of have to push in a little bit more than some of the others. It's like as you can see, this band does not open up all the way flat. So it kind of sticks in a certain place. So that means in order to get the band to go in there, you have to push it in a little bit. So if you get one of these, know that. And same thing here, I'm finding you have to just be a little bit patient. It's a very long release pin on the band. This is the I need glasses look, looking over my tops of my glasses. And there we go. Okay, whew. Looks nice though. I like the look of that. So I'm gonna try it on with this mesh strap. It's not bad. So you click it into place. So it's not quite as seamless as like the magnetic Milanese strap on Apple Watch, but it's fine. It looks nice. It's a nice, I like that design a lot. So the leather bands are pretty nicely constructed. Is this one Horween leather? I believe it is. Yes, it is Horween leather. So if you're a leather aficionado, that means something. It's nice quality. So, and it looks like a nice kind of classic watch strap. It has a nice knit on it over by the buckle, and it should. I imagine this is going to age really well and have like a nice look to it if you wear it for a while. So here is the leather band. Come out. This would probably be my favorite band to wear, except for the fact that if you wear a leather band, you can't go in the shower or swim with it. And I love the fact that the Fitbit Versa is 50-meter water resistant, so I probably wouldn't wear a leather band very much, or even maybe get one, but I love the look of it. Let's pop that in, see if I get used to this now. Strap attachments with your host, Scott Stein. I don't know, I'm just coming up with excuses here, but it's a hard band to attach. I can't do it. TBD on that leather band. That one is a little bit difficult, so maybe keep that in mind. But that's the Fitbit Versa unboxed, and this is going to be available soon. And we're going to be doing a lot of testing with this. We'll wear it around. We'll turn it on. We'll charge it. I'm Scott Stein. Thanks for bearing with me as I unbox the Fitbit Versa.